Hello. Astronomy picture of the day, May 17, 2025. Today's video is about HiRISE 3 landing site, the Martian revisited. This close-up from the Mars Reconnaissance orbiter's HiRISE camera shows weathered craters and windblown deposits in southern Acidalia Planitia. A striking shade of blue in standard HiRISE image colors. To the human eye the area would probably look grey or a little reddish. But human eyes have not gazed across this terrain, unless you count the eyes of NASA astronauts in the sci-fi novel, The Martian, by Andy Weir. The novel chronicles the adventures of Mark Watney, an astronaut stranded at the fictional Mars mission HiRISE 3 landing site, corresponding to the coordinates of this cropped HiRISE frame. For scale, Watney's 6-meter diameter habitat at the site would be about 1/10 the diameter of the large crater. Of course, the HiRISE 3 landing coordinates are only about 800 kilometers north of the real-life Sagan Memorial Station, the 1997 Pathfinder landing site. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.